This is cooking in hell. In Japanese, it's called Jigoku mushi. In English, hell steaming. And to many of you, it might truly be hell as it's gluten-free and rather healthy. I'm in Beppu, Japan, touring its 7 hells. These are hot springs with names like Chinoike Jigoku or Blood Pond Hell. This naturally forming hot spring is over 1300 years old, and legend has it was once used to torture criminals. Its iconic red color comes from iron oxide found in its dirt and was inspired by the popular series Dragon Ball. In typical Japanese fashion, this hell and all the others has a stamp you can collect. We'll collect all these later, but first, let's get back to cooking in hell. The restaurant's name is Hell Steaming Workshop Kanawa. I'll leave a link in the description. Here you can cook with the powers of hell yourself. First, there's a vending machine you can buy meal tickets from. The menu is impressively large, and I asked about allergens. The food is mostly meat and vegetables without any kind of seasonings, so you can accommodate diets like gluten-free or vegan pretty easily. When it's your turn to cook, you hand your meal tickets to the staff, and they'll prepare the food in hell-proof baskets for you. And then it's time to enter Hell's kitchen. But instead of Chef Ramsay yelling at you though, you have friendly Japanese staff guiding you through the process of putting on hell-proof gloves, opening the Jigoku gama or hell pot, putting the food inside, and closing the gates of hell once again. This simple cooking process takes 20 minutes, and of course, inside is not your normal steam. It's steam from the naturally forming local onsens. This cooking technique dates back to the Edo period. It is said that the salt in the onsen steam seasons the food and traps in the flavor. I grew up eating a bland diet of steamed vegetables, so I want to put this to the test. And after tasting it, I have to say it does not taste like hell, but heaven. And these are some of the best steamed vegetables I've ever had. I can't really put my finger on it, but the onsen steam did add a subtle flavor to it that definitely takes it up a level. And this steamed fish, oh man, you gotta try this when you visit. It's so good. This meal though is definitely one of the healthiest things I've ever had, and it left me longing for a little more salt or fat or something. But overall, I was really impressed with the food and the experience as a whole. Definitely one of the most memorable things I've done in Japan, and you should put this on your Japan travel list. Yo, I wanted to focus on food in this video, so I'm going to make a follow-up where I speedrun all 7 hells and collect those stamps. There's a lot of cool things there, and I think it deserves its own video, so subscribe to catch that. Thanks for watching, and leave me a comment with what you think and any food or travel you want to see in Japan. Bye bye.